Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel once again, people. Much love and appreciation. If you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. So people, news coming out of Jamaica is that popular radio ZJbrucelee has taken to social media to mourn the loss of his wife, Alicia Hamilton, who died during heart surgery earlier today, people. Very sad news, people. What I'm going to do, people, I'm going to post a couple of videos of the DJ, people, mourning, people. Like you can see, say he's very distraught and overcome with emotions. If you know, say he was in the hospital for over hour, 2 hours, people. Nobody can give him updates on Wagwan with his wife. Everybody are give him the go around. And it's a very sad situation, people, because we know when it comes to surgery and things can happen. You see me? We are hope say it's not negligence that caused the passing of the DJ's wife. Cause we know how healthcare in the islands them sometime stay. You see me, people? We know how that go. We don't have to go into details, but we know how healthcare, if you don't have top money and, money fork out and put on table and them things there, you're not going to get the best of the best. We already know that. We don't have to go into details with that. But people, check out the video of the ZJack people talking about what happened today to his wife, people. Check it out.
Wait for a good little while now, right? And I can't hear nothing. I come to find out the status of the surgery and everything. No doctor not tell me. Every doctor walk past me, I ignore me. I'm call one a while ago, Mr. Boy. Somebody soon come talk to you in a few minutes. I've been here for almost an hour and I'm not hearing anything. I don't know what is happening. Right now, my thoughts is thinking that she died or some complication that may happen, and they're trying to find some way to come tell me now. God, no. I don't want to hear them kind of news, so I tell you people. I'm going to tell you. In the hospital killed my wife. They killed her. They killed her because of their negligence. They killed my wife. I'm not gonna forget this ever. God knows they killed my wife. How am I gonna tell my daughter? Oh.
Yeah, people, that's what he had to say. Very sad and unfortunate situations, people. Very sad. If you lose somebody that you love, care about, your better half. Sad, people. And he also went on to make a few posts on Instagram talking about what happened or what transpired. One of his posts goes on to say, always I said from me young, if you don't have money, links, or big status, these doctors and nurses at these hospitals, no business about you if you know financially turned up, cause them I say money first and health after. I recommend you never go you it. Travel go foreign, at least you stand a better chance. No joke, serious talk. People, we already know how that go. Money talk in every island. May I tell you people, money talk, your status, it's facts. We don't have to go into details as me say, and everybody know. And my thing is, people, like when you go school or if you go in a healthcare, people, like you have to go in there as a people person. You want to help. You're willing to help. You are going above and beyond to make sure you give the best care possible. We know the healthcare workers them overwhelmed at the moment because them are deal with COVID and all this crime we are going in Jamaica. But at the same time, people, you have to do your utmost best whenever you do something. You can't go in it and say, oh, you're going to give 50%, you're going to give 20%, 30, 60, 70. You have to give 100% at all times, people. At all times when you're a healthcare worker. You see me? And it is a very, very sad and I said unfortunate situation. And we are pray for this DJ, people. May I pray for the DJ. So now he made another post and said, people, pray this and tell me your opinion. When the situation hit social media, that's when they called me and asked me what's up and thing. Even doctors who I never met with called asking questions about it. Now she has passed and nobody called me. Nobody. I went there and had to make noise to find out. Still no information was given to me, as in the time of death, etc. Didn't even get the opportunity to see her to say goodbye. Now is that the proper protocol of the hospital? I don't know. I am not a doctor, but maybe one with common sense can tell me. You see me, people? And that's the worst part about it, people. When you're in that situation and you are try find out something, what happened to your loved one, and nobody now giving a straight answer. Everybody bypass you and shortcut and not tell you nothing what go on. You're going to get bringley, you're going to get miserable, angry people. Because of your loved one that your better half that people. So how can the doctors and nurses just not tell you what happened? How was the surgery? Where is my wife? Is she recovering? Nobody said nothing. So the man just in the hospital, no know what to do. Mine and run up and down like crazy. Like, people, me don't wish that upon nobody. I don't wish that upon nobody, people. And if, in fact, UWI is found to be of negligence in this situation, they should be punished and prosecuted to the fullest. You see me, people? Investigations need to happen because I know the first time you hear about this. And we can't wait until it's one of our loved ones that this happened to. Sometimes you have to put on your foot and make a step and know say enough is enough. Jano, very, very sad and unfortunate situation, people. You don't know, it's YaadAndAbroadTV once again giving you some information while going to Jamaica, people. If I get any more details on this, I'm going to update you guys and make you know what going on. Alright? Bless up yourself once again from YaadAndAbroadTV. Respect and manners, people. And please remember to hit the subscribe button. Bless up.